Earth, our beautiful green planet, is home to majestic landscapes and beautiful landscapes. But within that beauty, nature also carries within it incredibly destructive power. From ferocious tsunamis, devastating earthquakes, to violent volcanic eruptions, natural disasters have repeatedly tested humanity's resilience and ability to survive. In the blink of an eye, they can destroy everything in their path, leaving behind irreparable pain and loss. Let's look back with Bobo at the scariest natural disasters in history, to clearly see the power of nature and the valuable lessons we have learned from those painful events. Cyclone Bola of 1970 was one of the most devastating tropical cyclones in history. It caused serious damage and claimed the lives of hundreds of thousands of people. Here are some detailed information about this storm. Overview. Storm name: Cyclone Bola. Time: November 1970. Areas affected: East Pakistan, now Bangladesh, and West Bengal in India. Developments. Formation: Cyclone Bola formed on 8 November 1970 over the Bay of Bengal. Intensity: peaked on November 13 with winds of up to 185 km/h, 115 miles per hour, equivalent to a Category 3 hurricane on the Saffir-Simpson scale. Tsunami: accompanying the storm is a tsunami up to 10 meters high, causing serious flooding. Damages. Death toll: an estimated 300,000 to 500,000 people died, making this the deadliest storm in history. Physical damage: thousands of homes were destroyed, and millions of people lost their homes. Agricultural lands were flooded and crops were completely destroyed. Economy: the region's economy was heavily affected, especially the agriculture and fishery sectors. Krakatoa volcano, also known as Krakatau, is one of the most famous volcanoes in the world due to its devastating eruption in 1883. This volcano is located in the Sunda Strait between the Indonesian islands of Java and Sumatra. Krakatau's eruption had catastrophic consequences and left a profound mark on global geological and climatic history. Overview. Name: Krakatau, Krakatau. Location: Sunda Strait, Indonesia. Type of volcano: stratovolcano, stratovolcano. The 1883 eruption. Date: started in May and peaked on August 26-27, 1883. Intensity: this eruption is rated a 6 on the Volcanic Eruption Index, VEI, with a maximum of 8. Direct consequences. Tsunami: the eruptions caused tsunamis up to 40 meters high, devastating the coastal regions of Java and Sumatra. Number of deaths: an estimated 36,417 people died, mainly due to the tsunami. Debris, ash and volcanic rock are spewed up to 80 km into the atmosphere. Global impact. Climate: the eruption released large amounts of sulfur dioxide, SO, into the stratosphere, leading to the phenomenon of volcanic winter. The global average temperature decreased by about 1.2 C in the following years. Visual effects: bright red sunsets were recorded worldwide in the months following the eruption due to the dispersion of volcanic ash in the atmosphere. Astronomy: daylight phenomena, such as solar spheres and lunar spheres, become more common due to ash particles in the air. The Great Yellow River Flood was a series of massive floods that occurred on the Yellow River, one of China's longest and most important rivers. The Yellow River, nicknamed China's Sorrow due to its history of deadly floods, had particularly disastrous floods in 1887, 1931, and 1938. These floods not only caused loss of life and property but also left profound consequences for China's history, society, and economy. The flood of 1887. Time: September 1887. Cause: prolonged heavy rain caused the Yellow River to overflow its banks, breaking the dikes. Damages. Number of deaths: estimates range from 900,000 to 2 million. People affected: millions of people lost their homes and had to migrate. The flood of 1931. Time: summer 1931. Cause: a series of heavy rains and prolonged tropical storms raised the river water and caused the dike to break. Damages: number of deaths, estimated from 1 to 4 million people. People affected: tens of millions of people lost their homes, crops were destroyed, causing famine and epidemics. The flood of 1938. Time: June 1938. Cause: man-made. China's nationalist army breached the dike to stop the Japanese advance during the Second Sino-Japanese War. Damages: number of deaths, about 500,000 to 800,000 people. People affected: millions of people lost their homes and had to migrate, causing a serious humanitarian crisis.